Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set global form colors and fonts in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful because it ensures all your forms maintain consistent branding across your website without having to manually adjust each one individually. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign in with your account credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main workspace where all your marketing tools live. Now look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to open your HubSpot Settings menu. This is your central hub for configuring everything from account preferences to marketing automation settings. In the left sidebar, you'll see various sections organized by category. Hover over or click to expand the section labeled Marketing. This is where all your marketing-related tools and configurations are housed. From the expanded menu, click on Forms. This takes you to the area where you can manage all aspects of your HubSpot forms, including their appearance. Once you're in the Forms area, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Switch to the Styles tab. This is where the magic happens, as it controls the visual appearance of all your forms across your account. Now you'll see color pickers next to several options, including form font color, button font color, and button background color. Click each color picker to select the colors you want to apply globally to your forms. Choose colors that align with your brand guidelines to maintain consistency across all your marketing materials. Next, locate the drop-down labeled Form Font or something similar. Click this drop-down to reveal a list of available fonts. Select the default font you want for all your forms. Again, this should match your overall brand typography to keep everything cohesive. Finally, look to the bottom left corner of the page where you'll find a Save button. Click this to apply your global style settings. Your changes will now be reflected across all existing and future forms in your HubSpot account, saving you countless hours of manual formatting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.